got a 1933 Lincoln Phaeton. One of 6 built, one of 2 in existence. They called it a lightweight back in '33 because a lot of the body was aluminum back in 1933, and they called it a lightweight at 5,600 pounds, which is laughable by today's standards. It was previously owned by Ed Sullivan at one time in its history. And more importantly, it was FDR's campaign car back in 1939. So if you see a picture of FDR in a big long limousine type styled car, convertible, that was the car. In addition to that, we had the Stanley Cup riding around in that car, since a local guy was on the Capitals team that won the Stanley Cup, and he graced Warroad with bringing the cup to Warroad and sharing it with all of his fans up here. And we had room in that big car for T.J. Oshie and his wife and their 2 kids, and the cup sitting in the middle of the floor, and there was room for everybody.